Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 1 November 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk's companies, Tesla and XAI, are making significant strides in AI development, with a reported $10 billion investment in AI training hardware. This includes the Memphis supercluster by XAI, utilizing 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, and Tesla's Cortex AI cluster, featuring 50,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs and 20,000 custom Dojo AI chips. Despite these advancements, the companies are behind schedule, with costs for these systems potentially exceeding $1 billion each. Musk emphasizes the necessity of such investments to remain competitive in the AI landscape. In legal news, a Pennsylvania judge has allowed Elon Musk to continue his cash giveaways to registered voters, despite legal challenges. Musk's America PAC has been offering $1 million prizes to voters in swing states, which some officials argue may violate electoral laws. The lawsuit, filed by Philadelphia District Attorney Lawrence Krasner, claims these giveaways constitute an illegal lottery. The case is currently paused as a federal court considers its jurisdiction. Elon Musk's social media platform, X, formerly Twitter, has been surpassed in market valuation by Donald Trump's Truth Social, now valued at over $10 billion. This surge is attributed to Trump's political prospects rather than financial performance. Despite this, Truth Social faces financial challenges, while Musk's X has seen its valuation drop significantly. Musk has been a vocal supporter of Trump's campaign, contributing over $70 million. A study by Fortune reveals that Elon Musk's tweets, especially those with pro-Trump sentiments, are pervasive on the X platform. Despite users' disinterest, Musk's tweets appear frequently, suggesting a possible manual override in the recommendation system. This raises questions about the impact of Musk's political messaging on public opinion as the election approaches. Elon Musk recently engaged in a public spat with Jesse Levinson, co-founder of Zoox, over Tesla's full self-driving technology. Levinson criticized Tesla's FSD for lacking the necessary technology for true autonomy, warning of potential driver complacency. Musk dismissed these criticisms, highlighting the competitive tensions in the autonomous vehicle industry. The House Judiciary Committee has criticized FTC Chair Lina Khan for allegedly targeting Elon Musk's Twitter following his acquisition. The FTC's scrutiny of Twitter, which included over 350 document demands, is seen by some as politically motivated, aimed at punishing Musk for exposing government pressures on tech censorship. This has sparked backlash against Khan and raised concerns about the FTC's role in regulating tech companies. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us next time for more news on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay informed and take care.